This video highlights the ease of reballing BGA components using Solderquik preforms from Winslow Automation. Be sure to properly clean and bake all parts before using preforms. Carefully place Solderquik preform into fixture, making sure the logo side faces down. Check alignment in fixture. Apply flux across the component evenly. Don't forget the corners of the component too. Place both preform and part into oven. After reflow, moisten and remove paper from part. Congratulations! You have reballed the part successfully.